Mama's Bakery. Ayan na, ang daming mommies and babies. Magsa-start na kami. Ang ganda. Dito kami sa second floor. Oh, ang daming mommies dito. Say hi, baby! Hi! What's that? Say hi! Hello! Sagap talaga. Take two, take two. Say hello, baby! Oh, where are you? Mommy Omni, Mommy Omni. See, Bryce from Bryce and Omni and their kids. Ate Zia. Hi, Ate Zia. Smile, smile. Hey guys, so I'm here with Mommy MK. Siya yung organize ng event. She's from FHM. Hindi, FHM Moms. So ano yung ginagawa niyo sa FH Moms, Mommy?
And so hi everyone, I'm mga mommies. My name is Mommy MK. I'm the founder of Filipina Home-Based Moms. So yun yung meaning ng FH Moms. No? So itong community na to, it's an online community na ginawa para talaga sa mga nanay para makapaghanap sila ng mga sarili nilang home-based jobs or online jobs. So this event, it's a special event for the Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day mga mommies. No? So goal ng FH Moms is mabigyan ng mga online job yung mga Pinay moms na members namin. And what we do is we train them for free. Yung mga mommy members, meron kaming mga videos, tutorials, no, na makakatulong sa kanila para makapag-land ng home-based job.
Hi guys! So andito ako with the author of Wifey, Mommy Says. She's gonna autograph my book. I want the book kanina.
Mat.
Oo. So paano to ginagamit?
So, meant siya na, meant siya gamitin with Play-Doh. So, meron siya.
Ay, ang cute. Oo nga, no? In fairness.
So, nagpa-practice magsulat. Kasi sa papel.
Oo.
So, ang ginawa ko, ganyan siya. Kunyari, susulat ka. Yan.
Okay. May erase. Bago siya i-erase. Ang cute! This is Mommy Amber, right?
Yes,
Amber! Nag-coach ka ba? Ha? Coach ka? Ano? Silently. Silent. Pwede ba yun? Ano kasi? More on ako, like, personally siya. Hindi plenary types. For example, you have issues on your life, I will go with you. Personal coach. Oo, yung mga dating days. Tapos mga weekly makikita tayo. I will go on a journey with you. At saan naman nila makikita? Anong website? You can follow us in Team Lopena. Yun yung wino-workout namin na page ngayon sa Facebook and Instagram. Okay, check out Mommy Amber. Ganda. Okay, thank you. Hi, we're here with Mommy Petite Mama, right? 80. Bakit 80? 80 years old. 80 yung birthday nung first born ko. Wedding day. Si Mama Petite. Follow her. Oh, cutie. Ang galing nakakasawa. So guys, na-meet ko si Mommy Berlin. Hello, hello. Yeah, she's from mommyberlin.com. Yeah. I follow her. Follow her. Oh, thank you. Maganda yung feed niya.
Thank you very much. It's mommyberlin.com. It's spelled M-O-M-I, Berlin, B-E-R-L-I-N.
Yes. Hey guys, I'm here with Miss Adi from Pampers. Hello, hi, Miss Adi. So, kumusta?
Okay naman. So, nandito kami sa FH Moms event. Nag-meet ko ngayon si Mommy Ruth. Join our contest.
So, hindi na kayo sa contest. Use my link. I'm gonna link it up. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss Adi.
hindi pa.
Ito yung nasa loob niya. Ito yung
Ayun ang
magic
gel. The magic gel.
Nasa loob ng In fairness,
And hindi siya.
ay dry. Dry siya. Super dry.
What happened? Oh,
Yan.
no heat.
Walang
Ang
leak
galing.
na.
Choose peppers.
Ayun. Choose peppers.